Hello my lovely student, see this question has been asked in JEE Mains 2022, so look over here carefully. 250 gram of D-glucose solution contain 10.8% carbon by weight. Find molality of the solution. We have to calculate the molality of the solution. So for molality of the solution, we require the number of moles of solute and the mass of solvent in kg. So we are going to solve it. So first of all, we have to calculate the total mass of carbon. So total mass of carbon, because we have given the percent by weight of carbon. So from here we get total mass carbon, that is our so solute is our D-glucose. So total mass of carbon equals to 10.8 divided by, we have to divide by 100 because it is in our percentage by into, we have to multiply 250 because we have given the mass of glucose is 250 into the mass of glucose, molecular mass of glucose is 180. So we can write 180 divided by how much carbon present in glucose. The formula of glucose is C6H12O6 and its molecular weight is 180. So 180 divided by 72, and if we calculate it, then it becomes 67.5 gram. ठीक, it is the total mass of carbon. So this is our solute, ये हमारा solute हो गया. So mass of solution equals to, sorry, mass of solvent, mass of solvent equals to, mass of solution is given 250, so 250 minus mass of solute is 67.5. So to be, if we calculate it, it will become 182.5 gram. Now we calculate molality. Molality equals to number of moles of solute. The number of moles of solute is, it is our given mass. So 67.5 divided by 180 because we have glucose as solute. So 67.5 divided by 180 into, or we can say E whole divided by the mass of solvent in kg. So 182.5 divided by 1000 because it is in our gram, so we have to convert it into kg. So divided by 1000, this 1000 goes up, 67.5 into 1000 divided by 180 into 182.5, and if we calculate it, then it becomes 2.055 this much molality, or we can say mole per kg. So if you want to see full lecture, then subscribe my channel, Front of Study Classes 120. Must be share.